Hey guys, welcome to Sandra's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a very delicious recipe for butter garlic chicken. This meal was a big hit with the whole family. I'll have the link to the original recipe listed in the description box below. Now let's begin. I begin by turning my pressure cooker to the saute setting, and I allow the inner pot to come up to heat, and then I add 2 tablespoons of butter. After the butter has melted somewhat, I add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now I'm using the minced garlic that you can buy in the jar already minced. You can use fresh if that's what you prefer. I saute the garlic in the butter for about half a minute. Then I press the stop button to turn off the saute function. To the pot I add 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I stir that mixture until well blended, and then I add 3 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. Now I'm using these frozen ones that you could buy in a bag, but you can also use fresh chicken thighs that haven't been frozen, and the cook time will be the same. I close the lid to the pressure cooker, making sure the pressure valve is set to the seal position. I set my pressure cooker to high pressure and the cook time for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes have lapsed, I'm going to allow the pressure cooker to do a natural release for 10 minutes, followed by a quick pressure release. Now I click on the start button to begin the cooking. Now I raise the lid to the pressure cooker and remove the chicken and set aside for the moment. In a glass I've added 4 tablespoons of cold water, and to that I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, mixing it until well combined. I select the saute setting on the pressure cooker and allow the remaining liquid to come up to a boil. I add the cornstarch mixture and stir with a whisk until it's thickened. After a nice sauce is formed, I add the chicken back to the pot and stir to coat the chicken. My chicken is now ready to serve. So simple, so delicious. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell, and thank you for watching.